You weren't supposed to notice this because on the surface, everything looks healthy. Sardines are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. But what most people never hear is that sardines don't work alone. What you eat around them can either support your muscles or quietly work against them. That's where the real problem begins. There are seniors today eating sardines every week, believing they are doing everything right, yet they still feel weaker over time. Their legs lose strength, their balance becomes less stable, and their energy drops. Meanwhile, someone else eats the same sardines and maintains their strength for years. Same age, same food, completely different outcome. The difference is not the sardines, it's the combinations. Before we go further, I want you to do something simple. Drop your age in the comments. Because after 60, your body changes in ways that make these small mistakes much more powerful. What felt harmless before can now slowly affect your strength. One of the most common mistakes is combining sardines with refined carbohydrates like white bread. It feels like a normal, even traditional meal. But refined carbs cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. When that happens, your body shifts its priority toward managing glucose instead of using protein for muscle repair. The amino acids from sardines are not fully utilized, and over time, this reduces your body's ability to maintain muscle mass. You're eating protein, but your body is not using it efficiently. Another habit that seems harmless is drinking something sweet right after eating sardines. Fruit juice, sweet tea, or dessert can interfere with how your body processes protein. When sugar enters your bloodstream immediately after a protein-rich meal, insulin rises quickly and delays muscle repair. This repeated pattern can slow down recovery and gradually contribute to muscle loss. Digestion itself also plays a critical role. As we age, stomach acid levels decrease and enzyme production becomes less efficient. When sardines are combined with heavy dairy or overly processed sauces, digestion slows down even more. Instead of being broken down quickly, the protein stays longer in the digestive system and is not fully absorbed. This means fewer amino acids reach your muscles, even though you are eating a high-protein food. Texture is another factor that most people ignore. Sardines are naturally soft, and when they are combined with other soft foods, the need for chewing is reduced. Chewing is important because it signals your body to release digestive enzymes. When that signal is weak, digestion starts less effectively. Over time, this can reduce how much protein your body actually absorbs and uses. Fats can also change the impact of sardines. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support muscle health. However, when they are consumed with vegetable oils high in omega-6, such as sunflower or corn oil, the balance shifts. Too much omega-6 promotes inflammation, which can accelerate muscle breakdown. Instead of supporting your body, the combination creates internal stress that works against muscle preservation. Alcohol is another underestimated factor. Having a drink with your meal may feel normal, but alcohol interferes with muscle protein synthesis. It reduces your body's ability to convert protein into muscle tissue. When combined with sardines, this creates a situation where you consume high-quality protein but block its effectiveness. For older adults, this effect is even stronger due to slower recovery processes. Sodium is also something to consider. Canned sardines already contain salt, and when combined with other salty foods, sodium intake can become excessive. This disrupts the balance between sodium and potassium, which is essential for muscle function. When that balance is off, muscles fatigue more quickly and strength decreases over time. What makes these mistakes dangerous is not any single one of them, it's the repetition. These are small, everyday habits that don't seem harmful in the moment. But over time, they create a pattern where your body cannot fully use the nutrients you consume. And when that happens, muscle loss becomes more likely, not because of age alone, but because of how food is combined. The truth is simple. Sardines are powerful. They are one of the best foods you can eat after 60, but their benefits depend entirely on how you eat them and what you combine them with. So the real question is not whether sardines are good for you, it's whether you are allowing your body to use them properly. Think about your last meal with sardines. What did you eat with them? Drop it in the comments. Because one small change in your routine could make a real difference in how your body maintains strength over time.